Makinig ka hanggang dulo, baka dito mo unang marinig kung bakit ka ganito, paano ka mag-isip, mabuhay at magmahal. Ang stellium ay kapag tatlo o higit pang planets ay nasa iisang zodiac sign or houses. Ibig sabihin, sobrang concentrated ang energy mo sa isang tema ng buhay. Kapag may stellium ka, hindi ka scattered, may main life lesson ka, paulit-ulit kang dinadala ng universe sa parehong sitwasyon hanggang mamaster mo. Hindi ka pinaparusahan, tinuturuan ka. Kung Sagittarius stellium ka, hindi ka ginawa para makulong kahit emotionally. Sagittarius stellium core themes mo ay truth over comfort, growth, security, explorer ng ideas, beliefs, buhay, restless kapag walang meaning. Sagittarius stellium mo ay nasa first house, malakas ang presence mo, natural leader, optimistic aura, pero minsan overwhelming sa iba. Third house stellium ng Sagittarius, straightforward ka magsalita, teacher vibes, lesson, timing at tact. Fifth house, playful, flirty, expressive, love mo ang joy, ayaw mo ng boring. Ang seventh house stellium mo naman with Sagittarius, attract mo ang foreign, wise, or teacher type partners. Lesson, commitment without losing freedom. At kung Sagittarius in ninth house stellium ka naman, soul mission mo ang mag-guide ng iba, spiritual teacher, mentor, traveler ng wisdom, and reminder, hindi ka takot sa commitment, takot ka lang mawalan ng sarili. Kung Scorpio stellium ka, hindi ka mababaw, sadyang malalim ka. Scorpio stellium core themes, emotional intensity, power dynamics, trust and betrayal lessons, death and rebirth cycles, magnetic presence. Kung ang Scorpio stellium mo ay nasa second house, money at self-worth lessons. Kapag natuto kang magtiwala sa sarili, powerful ka mag-manifest. Fourth house mo, deep family karma. Ikaw ang cycle breaker. Sixth house, obsessive sa work or health. Lesson, control versus flow. Kung seventh house, Scorpio stellium ka naman, relationships mo, transformative, all or nothing energy. Kung 8th house naman, natural healer, psychic, shadow worker, pero kailangan mo ng emotional safety. And reminder, hindi ka too much. Hindi lang lahat kaya ang lalim mo. Kung Libra stellium ka, hindi ka people pleaser, peacekeeper ka. Libra stellium core themes, relationship as life lessons, justice and fairness, beauty and harmony, difficulty, choosing self. Kung ang Libra stellium mo ay nasa first house, charming, magnetic, diplomatic, pero lesson mo ang authenticity. Kung ang Libra stellium mo ay nasa third house, sweet magsalita, mahusay makipag-ayos, natural mediator. Fifth house, romantic, artistic, expressive lover. Ang love language, presence. At ang seventh house, stellium ng Libra, life revolves around partnerships. Lesson, balance ng we at me. Kung Libra mo, stellium ay nasa 10th house, public image mo ang mahalaga. You're meant to be respected and admired. Reminder, hindi ka indecisive. Pinapahalagan mo lang ang lahat ng sides. Why important ang stellium? Ang stellium ang nagsasabi kung saan ka paulit-ulit tinuturuan ng buhay. Kapag naintindihan mo to, hindi mo isisisi ang sarili mo. Mas madaling mag-healing, mas malinaw ang soul purpose mo, at mas align ang desisyon mo. Kung may stellium ka, hindi ka random soul. May tema, may lesson, may dahilan kung bakit ka ganito. Gusto mong malaman kung may stellium ka, DM me for private reading, for your birth chart, decoding, or follow me for more astrological truths.